Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deszren. Most people call me Des. Feel free to call me whichever. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today we are doing a loc close-up before and after my retwist. So obviously this is before. My hair is looking crazy. It's been a month since I've retwisted my hair at this point, so I know y'all see all of that has unraveled. Some of it is new growth, but it's mainly just my hair that has unraveled. So you guys will notice that my hair is super frizzy now. Some of them are starting to bud and to lose their elasticity, like this one in the middle, it was starting to lose its elasticity, and then the ends always take the longest to lock up for me. So those are still really springy and really boingy, if that's even a word. And in the front, it just looks like, what the fuck? For a lack of better words, it just looks like WTF. I don't know what goes on in the front, but it just has a mind of its own. So I hope you guys enjoy this loc close up. I may or may not come back throughout the video and say some stuff or just tell you guys some things that I'm noticing. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, just drop them down below. I also want to let you guys know that how my hair looks right now is not from me washing it, is not from me soaking it. Like, even when I moisturize my hair, I've only been doing it once a week and I lightly spritz my hair, so my hair is like maybe damp. So this just all mainly unravels on its own. There was no outside force that caused this, so I just want to put that out there. And y'all, this little loc that I have, I think I ended up combining it when I did my retwist. I'm pretty sure I did end up combining that small one because it just is way too small, and I just knew it would be the thinnest one that I had and be very likely to pop off or snap off easily. So I did decide to combine it, but I think what I did was when I did my retwist, I split another one. So I think I still have 86. I will double check for y'all and confirm in the description or the comments. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure I still have 86. I'm really loving this retwist, y'all, because I get to see some more budding and they're getting really fluffy, and I just love the texture of my hair, especially the ones that are budding, which is usually around my crown area and the back. Those lock up the fastest, so those ones are getting a little thick and I'm just loving it. I really am. It feels so good. And some of them are like this one where it's still pretty thin, they're not really doing too much, so it's completely normal to have some spots that seem to be locking up much faster than others. If you are experiencing this, do not worry, your hair is fine, you are fine. Some parts of your hair may be softer or a looser texture and can cause them to take a little bit longer to lock up. And that wraps it up for this loc close up. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and stay tuned for my actual wash and retwist video.